have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief.
I'm starting to understand this. Let's see if we can get of this. Here, let's see how this goes. Change. Yeah. So all the bishops are gone. No, one is still here. Two rook, one queen. They're gonna exchange queen. Is he attacking? Oh yeah. Knight. Yeah. So it's in position. So the correct one was there. Okay. How did he do that? Yeah. Why did he move that? Okay. I start to understand why then this. Let's go back. Okay, we know to exercise. We have a lot to do. Let's see, 21. I think we're gonna go to 2 more. Nicely done. Finish, right? Yeah. Box screen. I'm gonna read it and then continue. Okay, I think I understand it. So the end game is when you have a queen and a king. So let's see. Okay, this trap. So let me see why it moves like that. Okay, rectangle. So he moved a knight. Okay, I understand it. Again, a knight. So he cannot get him. Now you have him there. I didn't know this. There you get it. Interesting. Okay. I didn't notice this. Okay, I think I start to understand. There, go there, there. Okay, so this called queen box. Yeah, I understand why this is easy, but okay, let's go to the next one. I want to read it and then we'll see. Okay. So the first one that needs to move, they need to back down. They give up ground, is what they're saying. So let's see. This position, he needs to back down, so he needs to go back. These are all options. Let me see if I can put it. Yeah. Let me go back and see. You have a lot of options, right? Yeah. chance will happen. So when you have a king in a row, as you checkmate, it's a little bit difficult. Okay. Let's see. I think we're halfway through, right? Yeah. I think the next stream we'll continue. We'll look at the other parts and see how it works. But interesting. Those endgames.
I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief. Know what I want, so I'll take it on. I've made mistakes, but mistakes make you strong. Let's break it down for a minute. I want the crown, I'm gon' get it. You hear me loud, man, I'm winning. Yeah, Charlie Sheen will be great.